Chai, my country people, things dey occur for dis life wey we dey o. See innocent girl wey bad belle people wan spoil her life. Omo, wetin dey occur? Dis girl, dis Ghanaian tiktoker Agis don come out dey plead to the general public say abeg people wey dey spread her videos, her ifedi videos wey go viral yesterday, make people stop to dey spread am, say e no dey funny again. Una wan kpai me? Na wetin she dey ask people. Na she be the first person wey even dey do no be she be the first person now. Why be say people like to dey hear bad news? Any small thing you go begin dey send me the video, I get the video, pay this one, pay that one, I will send you the video. Wetin dey happen now? See fine girl. And men, why una like to dey punish girls like this? She give you problem, she no give you problem. Somebody gave you her all and all, jape the thing they give you, instead of you to dey enjoy am, na to dey video the thing. Now you wetin dey happen? This girl just give people her ifedi, next thing they begin dey video her, as if that one is not enough, they come leak the thing. E no make sense. Now men, make una grow up. And you ma wey be girl, no allow anybody video you when you dey do that thing. If you notice say person don carry camera, say oh no be me and you run, cause the person go dey do you. I want use am to dey remember you. I no want dey watch the other one. That one I want to be using your own to dey dey soapy dey go. No allow him if you deny him of he go post am. Now wetin this girl dey talk with this? She talk say allegedly the two boys see her this thing for their friend's phone, come dey use am dey blackmail her. She come for them, they come come still do video, come leak the video. Omo, make una dey careful. Things dey occur, make everybody dey careful.